Imagine a world where every trip transforms into an adventure, where freedom of movement combines with technology to offer you an unprecedented experience. This world is now within your reach thanks to the HITWAY 16-inch electric bike, a revolution in the realm of personal transportation that promises to change the way you see, live, and experience every journey. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This bike is ideal for teenagers and adults looking for a modern, eco-friendly, and flexible means of transportation, perfect for urban commuting as well as outdoor adventures. Its foldable and lightweight design also makes it perfect for those who value practicality and efficiency in their active lifestyle. At the heart of this innovation is a 250 watts electric motor, 36 volts, capable of propelling you to a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, and it does so with remarkable ease even on slopes of up to 25 degrees. But that's not all. The removable lithium battery of 7.8 Ah provides an impressive range of 35 to 70 kilometers, allowing you to explore without limits and with the assurance that you can always rely on your faithful travel companion. The superior quality of the HITWAY does not stop there. Its foldable design with an aluminum alloy body combines lightness and strength for absolute ease of transport and storage. Weighing only 22.31 kg and capable of supporting up to 120 kilos, this electric bike stands out for its versatility and robustness. The 16-inch wheel size combined with dual shock absorption ensures a comfortable and stable ride, regardless of the surface. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews sharing their satisfaction. This bike is not just a means of transportation, it is an extension of your personal freedom. With 2 available operating modes, you can choose between the classic pedal mode for a traditional cycling experience or the electric assist mode to move with minimal effort. Additionally, the adjustable seat and handlebar height make this bike a perfect choice for both teenagers and adults, ensuring that every user can find their ideal position for comfortable riding. Safety is a top priority for HITWAY. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, LED headlights, and a safety horn, this electric bike ensures a safe ride at any time of the day. The LCD screen provides a clear and instant overview of all the essential information you need on the road, allowing you to fully focus on the enjoyment of riding. But what truly makes the HITWAY unique is its commitment to accessibility and ease of use. Assembly is a breeze thanks to the quick videos and user guides provided, and customer service is always available to meet your needs, ensuring that your experience is as smooth and enjoyable as possible. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality, and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. By choosing the HITWAY electric bike, you are opting for much more than just a means of transportation. You are choosing a lifestyle, a way of getting around that is both eco-friendly, practical, and incredibly fun. Whether you are in the city or in the great outdoors, this bike opens the doors to unparalleled freedom, allowing you to explore the world around you with unmatched ease and comfort. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility. Suitable for both teenagers and adults thanks to the adjustable seat and handlebar height. Advantage number 2, practicality. Easily foldable and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store in tight spaces. Advantage number 3, range. Removable lithium battery with a range of 35 to 70 kilometers, allowing for long trips without recharging. Advantage number 4, driving comfort. Double shock absorption for a more comfortable ride on different types of terrain. Advantage number 5, safety. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, as well as LED headlights and a safety horn for better visibility and protection. Advantage number 6, ease of use. Simplified assembly with video and guide and an LCD screen to track driving information in real time. Now let's move on to a few drawbacks. Drawback number 1, limited speed. With a maximum speed of 25 km per hour, it may not be the fastest option for some users looking for stronger sensations. Disadvantage number 2, number of speeds. With only one speed, it may lack flexibility in speed adjustments for different driving environments. So, for those who are ready to embrace this mobility revolution, to discover a new way to experience their daily commutes or their wildest adventures, the time has come. Don't miss this chance to turn every journey into an unforgettable experience. Click the link in the description to order your HITWAY 16 inches at the best price. Discover the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and embark on the adventure of your life. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.